Hi, so today I wanted to talk about something that it values and it helps me a lot throughout the journey of the whole aesthetics career. I was once a student back then, and I used to invest a lot of different courses to myself, making sure that I'm fully equipped with different type of skills. I've been through that stage where money is very, very important, but I'm a little bit different in choosing the course that I took. I tend to choose the quite expensive one, and I found this approach is very, very beneficial. It helps me to sharpen the skill and deliver a very, very good results to my clients. And during different various type of courses, I usually overheard the other students always talk about they have already took the course elsewhere and they didn't learn anything. The teacher was just playing YouTube video and they have no idea what they're actually doing. So they have to retake the course, and here they were sitting beside me, learning the thing again. And retaking the course, it's very time consuming and it costs double amount of the money. Think about it, right? So, for example, the eyelash extension. Some people just took the course online, and when they were actually doing the real clients, they were not actually doing it properly. They were not isolating the eyelash well enough, and they were actually damaging their own natural lashes. And guess what? The client is not coming back because you're actually like they knew that you're not doing a good job. And some people thought that taking the eyelash extension is very, very easy. Me myself paid $8,000 Canadian back then to learn the classic and volume. And usually with any type of course that I learned, I usually just like after I learn a skill, I just practice, practice, practice. I don't feel comfortable until I practice to 50 or 60 clients. Then I will feel myself as mission complete. So actually, the client knows. My client become my very best friend, and my longest client that I had was with me for 20 years. And because they knew that, I really try my best to deliver the best and the thing that they would actually see the result with. There are lots of competitor out there. It's not like I'm the only person that is offering this service, but they knew that I'm trying my very best to provide them with the best. So what a recap that what we wanted to capture is I want you guys to think about, the courses or the institute that you're actually taking the courses with. Saving the tuition is not going to lead you very far. A certificate of completion or diploma is just a piece of paper. It's what you can deliver to the client is what it counts. So if you can't deliver anything good to your clients, I see some of the students that actually learn the eyelash extension elsewhere, and then they don't even know how to do the volume lashes. They were actually buying the like the lashes that is already pre-glued, and they don't know how to isolate the lashes properly. Then to me, then you didn't learn anything yet. So there are there are courses that you can learn online, but for aesthetics courses, I don't think you can actually learn the whole thing online. You have to actually practice it so that when you're actually facing the client, you know what you're doing. Okay, this is it for today, and it's very nice seeing you guys again. I wish to see you guys in the next episode.